Yo, yo, yo. Free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Early morning, just woke up, 8 o'clock. Alright, super early. Happy Cash Out Fridays, alright? We'll cash out a couple sites today. We got four sites that we're gonna cash out on. Alright, just jump right into it. Another thing, appreciate all subscribers, appreciate all the love. A lot of people hit me up every single day. Like I said, if you want, I do one-on-one training and Q&As, all right? So just hit me up on Instagram, and I will help you out, all right? I will help you out. Follow me at Free Online Moneymaker. Yo, people, watch these videos, all right? Like, watch these videos, watch these tutorials, all right? Always watch most popular videos, all right? Watch that list first. Watch the tutorials first. Ask me anything, all right? I'm really here trying to help you on an everyday basis, all right? Happy Cash Out Friday. That's supposed to be cashing out multiple sites today, all right? That's supposed to be cashing out multiple sites. Now, right here, we're going to cash out on Prize Rebel. All right, you can see terrible stats right here. Terrible. I'm trying to be at least at 5 a day. Today's the 6th, so I should be at $30, and I'm at $14, so that's very bad. All right, $12.35 right here. All right, let me you see my reward history. All right, nothing crazy. See my reward history, nothing crazy. All right, people. So it's up to you to let it build. It's up to you to come in here and keep grinding on an every single day basis. All right. Catch this out right here. Go to rewards, PayPal, $10. I could do a custom. But I don't like how that'd be taking. How long that'd be taking. What's this? Oh, they're doing a discount for the Amazon gift card. Alright. It's an Amazon gift card right here. Amazon gift card discount. Alright, so you can get $10 worth of Amazon gift card for only $9.50. So that's a great deal. And I'm actually seeing if there's any other deals before I take the PayPal. Yeah, I'm going with the PayPal. I should probably take one of these. Let me see how long the state discount for. Basically, Amazon giving us a free 50 cents, right? Why not? If you're gonna use it for Amazon anyway. Cash out this 10 right here. All right. Pop up, go to my Offer Nation site, and like I said, I have tutorials on each site. I have different tutorials on each site. So if you find yourself struggling, or you find yourself, oh, I used to make this, but now I'm not making it no more, you have to use different areas of the survey site. All right, look what I'm trying to tell you right here. When you go to home, when you go to pay surveys, you got to use different areas. You can't just always use the same, because you're always using the same. Then it's gonna get, it's gonna get all used up until they put out new ones. All right, so definitely once you start feeling like you're slowing down in pace, start exploring different options. All right, offer walls, different paid surveys. Okay, all right. So right here is gonna be I'm gonna convert these points right here. And like I said, people, I've been doing this for about 2 years now. So literally like 75% of all my points are coming from my referrals. All right. So you have to understand that. But like I said, if you go back into my channel, watch my first 50 videos when I had no subscribers, I was actually making more money on a daily basis because I was putting more work in. I had more time to put more work in. All right. I don't have a traditional 9 to 5. I gotta, I got a lot of things moving right now. I got a lot of things going. So I don't have time to really bang out the service like I used to. 665. But if you watch my first videos, you see I had 0 subscribers, 0 everything, and I was just grinding, showing people like, yo, you can make $5, you can make $10, you can make $20 every single day. Add it up. You just go on different sites. $2 on each site, $5 on each site, $3 on each site, something like that. Even if you use $3 on each site, even if you're just using 5 sites, you still have $15. You still have $15 a day, $450 a month. Extra income, 100% free. No investment. You just go up, the time is invested, obviously, but you're doing it on your spare time. You're doing it late night. You're doing it early morning. See what I'm saying? So It's up to you to find your schedule, and it's up to you on how important the money is. You're not doing this forever. You're not going to be doing this for doing surveys for the next 20 years. You get what I'm saying? So you're just doing this to put some money in your pocket and just to get everything afloat. I'm going to go to withdraw right here. $6.65 right here. I'm about to cash out. Plus that $10 that I just cashed out. Always do instant PayPal. So that's about to be a $16 cash out right there. So $16 cash out Offer Nation. I'm gonna go to Super Pay, and usually on Offer Nation I run my videos. Like I said, watch my tutorials. I show you how to do the videos. This one, I'll cash out this 97 cents right here. Convert that to cash, should be like $1.30 or something like that. Should be like $1, yeah, $1.37. Still got more points in it. Get that 4 cents. Let me get that 4 cents. Let me get that. Hold on. What happened? Okay. Get that 4 cents right there. There it goes. 5 cents basically. $1.42. I'm gonna cash this out too. I'm gonna let this sit here. Convert points to cash. And people are asking me, why you always cash? Why you? Oh, nah, wrong one. Withdraw cash. People ask me, why you keep cashing out all the time? Why don't you just let it build, let it build? I need to see that this site works the way that it says it works. If it says withdraw per day up to value $50, I gotta know, can I cash it out up to $50 every day without this giving me a problem? Unlimited withdrawal permitted each day. Really? So I need to cash out whenever I want, and this needs to pay me. All payments reviewed and paid within 24 hours maximum, but more between 2 and 8 hours. I need to make sure that this works. So what I do is I use these sites and I cash out all the time immediately. I can let them build. I'm gonna let a couple of build. Got a couple of videos coming out for you guys about that. But I can let these sites build, but I need to make sure that they're working the way they work. Right? So you can literally cash out a minimum to $1 every day. So this is literally a free $365 a day, because you can cash out $1 a day on here, and it's so easy to get $1 on this site. You got offer walls, you got paid surveys, and after that you can share your referral link. So there's so many different ways to get $1 a day. You're right. So I'm saying, so the site is like literally giving you $365 because they're literally giving you $1 a day. So it's up to you to get in the site and start grinding. All right, they're giving you the opportunity to make that $1 every single day, minimum. All right, so this is why I do this. I go to Instant PayPal. My left clicker been acting up here. It's working just fine now. Withdraw the cash. Instant PayPal. It'll be in my account shortly. Go to rewarding ways, and it's up to you. Sign up to all these sites, right? But don't sign up to them all at the same time and not earn. Sign up to one, study one of my tutorials, learn it, actually start making money off of it, then sign up to another. Always use my link to see if you can get a promotion bonus, right? See if they have any promotion bonuses available. Use my link, you get a promotion bonus to start off. Here's $15.91 in my rewarding ways. All right, I kind of lost track here. $10 here, $6 here, $1 here at $17. Plus this 15 is going to be around $32, $33 cash out. All right. So it's going to be around $33 cash out. Convert points to cash. And you like, how do I get these points? You get these points by completing surveys, completing tasks, and watching videos. Most of the time, I'll just be watching videos. I got another video that I'm gonna post later tonight. It's gonna show you my video site that I just run a lot of ads on, and just let that run, and you just accumulate points. Sometimes they want you to do tasks, like go on this website for 10 seconds, X off that page. Go to another website for 10 seconds, X off that page, and they'll have like 10 pages they want you to go to. After the 10 pages, they'll give you like 10 points. You just keep doing that over and over. It's like you just in your spare time, you're not doing it. All right, $15.92. I'm gonna go here to withdraw cash. Alright, I gotta get ready to go to work soon. Make sure I'm not late here. Instant PayPal withdrawal to $15.92. Should be around $33 cash out, something like that. Rewarding ways. I'm gonna cash out into my PayPal right now. Alright, I'm back. I'm all logged in. So you can see $33.88. Alright. So every single day, keep grinding on your spare time. Keep doing what you gotta do. I'm out. Gotta get ready for work. Free online money maker. Happy Cash Out Fridays. Alright. Continue grinding. Ask me anything. Hit me up. I'm super transparent. I'm trying to really help you guys out. All you do is surveys, ads, cashback apps, money off apps, coupons, ads, surveys, like whatever you want to do, people. You could listen to music and get paid for writing a survey after you listen to music. Watch my videos, watch my tutorials on that. All right, so I have so many different things out there. It's up to you to find out what you like, what you can do, and just start doing in your spare time. All right, $33.88 cash out. Happy Cash Out Fridays. All right, free online money maker signing out. Peace. What's up, big boy? Come here. How you sleep? Want to say bye to you too? Say bye. Say bye-bye. Right here, look at this computer. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.